a 12-foot-tall lab coat wearing inner-earth drones. The deeper you get, the stranger the life forms. The tall men are from the subterranean levels, lower yet are the dwarf deformed forms. I don't trust either of them. They are other forms that both the tall men and the dwarfed men fear and loathe. They are similar to Bigfoot in appearance, but extremely violent and enjoy eating whatever they find while it is still alive. They are subhuman and demented, with an IQ around 15.